Today we're replacing this light switch in our motorhome because it had gotten a little sticky. So we're just replacing it with almost the exact same one we found on Amazon. First thing we're going to do is pull the fuse out of the panel so that the switch won't have power. The thing you do is take off this plate. This is the one we're replacing here. All we're going to do is pull off these two blade connectors and put them in the same spot on the new switch. Now pop out the old switch. And here's the new switch. Slide right in. Now reconnect the connectors. Now that we've got the switch replaced, we're going to put the fuse back in and test it. Alright, so let's test it, make sure it worked. There we go. Now we're going to pull the fuse back out before we put the panel back in, just to be safe. Now we're just going to put everything back into the panel. Now we're going to put our fuse back in and do a final check. And voila, our light switch is good now. So if your light switch ever gets sticky, it's just that simple to replace it, really easy.
Follow us for more great ideas.